I started woodwork as an antidote for post-traumatic stress about 20 years ago. I suffer from severe post-traumatic stress from experiences during the Vietnam War, and I enjoy my woodwork. It allows me to concentrate and forget about things that are worrying me. Mahindra allows me to extend my woodwork. Well, normally we arrange to pick it up from properties. People will offer it to us and we'll go in, but we may have to go right to the back of the property to get it. So we need the four-wheel drive ability to go where the wood is to pick it up. If I go and collect processed timber, I get links up to 2.4 metres in the back. It's very easy to use. The Mahindra really is a good vehicle for this type of lifestyle. Compared to other new four-wheel drive utes, it's probably 2/3 of the price for the equivalent vehicle. I've recommended it to everybody I can talk to. It is my Mahindra and I really enjoy using it and driving it.